Good morning, dear student. Let us begin our exercise 4.2. 4.2 in this exercise, what is the first question? Give first step you will use to separate the variable. What first step you are taking to separate the variable and find the variable answer also? How can you do? I am writing this first question, x minus 7 equal to 0. Now what is the first step you are taking? Suppose that here is a minus 7. What is the opposite of this minus 7? Plus 7. Then this plus 7 you have to add both sides. How can you add this both side? Whatever operation you are taking, you have to operate in the both side, LHS1 part also and RHS1 part also. This is the rule in your mathematics. Any kind of operation you are adding according to yourself, then you have to add both side. Here we are adding according to ourselves this plus 7, that's why we are add both side. How can you add both side? X minus 7, then here to write plus 7 and here 0 plus 7. Now what is the answer of this one? If you will see minus 7 plus 7, minus plus minus, and the same digit you can see it, then your answer is your 0. And here 0 plus 7, 7, then x is your 7. I also understand what we have to done to separate the variable. What we have to add? Now this is the answer of your variable, and what the step you are taking? Add 7 both the side. This is the question number 1. Now second, another one I can take example minus 1. X minus 4 equal to 6. This is the second question. X minus 4 equal to 6. This minus 4, what is the opposite of minus 4? Plus 4, because we want to remove from here minus 4, that's why we are adding plus 4. After adding plus 4, here is also you can add plus 4. So then minus plus minus, it becomes 0, and 6 plus 4, it's your 10. And x minus 0 means x equal to 10. So x value is your 10, and you have to what step you are taking for separate your variable? Add 4 both the side. Another one I can take one more. Third one, if the equation in your positive. Now if the positive, then you have to subtract minus 3. If you are subtracting minus 3 both the side, then here 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, y equal to 2. And what step you are taking? Subtract 3 both the side. One more example I can take from exercise. I am taking this example. 4y equal to 3. With this this digit 4 in this multiplication. What kind of the step you will take? I told you already, take opposite one. If you will see this variable, this variable with the relation of this digit, multiplication, 4 multiplied by y. What is the opposite of multiply? Divide. So you have to divide both the side. Which digit? This 4 only. Divide by 4. If you divide by 4 both the side, what you will observe? This 4 you can cut from here, and then you will get the answer y equal to 3 upon 4. What step you are taking? Divide by 4 both the side. Fifth one, if the digit you can see x upon 7 equal to 12. Now here with relation of x, this constant, divide. Now what is the opposite of divide? Multiplication. Which digit you have to multiply? 7. So you have to multiply with 7 here also and here also. When you multiply with this 7, then you can cut here easily. And here x set 12 sevens are 84. This is the answer of your x. And what step you are taking? Multiply 7 both the side. I hope so understand this through this 5 example. You can solve these 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2 from in exercise 4.2. Easily you can solve this 2 question. Now question number 3. Solve the following equation, verify the result also. How can you solve this equation? Now easily you can solve 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Before to going solution, first I will explain you that story. Which story? Root King. In previous one classes I was explained through your story this linear equation and finding the variable answer. That is a very easy concept through story if you will solve it. What is the story? See, this is the one country and this is the another country. They are having rule on their country. You know, everyone in their country own rule is there. So what is the who is the king in this country? Variable. Variable. This is the variable country and this is the normal people like us. This is our country. And what is the rule of this country? Who are living first, nobody can take their places. Who are living first, they can't leave their place. They remain like right now. Now, what is the story of this country of variable? This king, this variable is which one variable is coming here? Their nature is very rude. Their nature is very rude, and what the process they are doing? They are throw out to everyone. Those who are not reliable with them. Those who are not reliable with them, they are throw out one by one to everyone in another country. If anybody throw out, then what is your reaction? Opposite one. Right now you are happy. If I send to you out, then what is your reaction? Angry one. Same as with this digit also. If root king throw out to other country, they also react opposite reaction. How? And those who are within distance, they throw out first them. Which digit distance from this x? 2x. 2 is near from x, but this 3 is distance from x. So first throw out this 3. And how to throw out? If throw out, then here will be not a 3 in this country because it's throw out. And 3 is reach in another one country. And in another one country, who are living first, they can't take their place. They can't leave their place. Then 5 remain like that, and after that who are coming here, we can add after of this number. Here plus 3 is the nature of right now in this king 1 country. What is the nature of this 3? Plus. When threw out by king, the nature it become minus 3. Then you can solve it easily. 2x equal to 5 minus 3, 2, and x. Now I already told you x and this x. Nobody will stay in this one country. X through by one to everyone. Now it's turned to this 2, and this 2 is relation with this multiplication. What is the opposite of multiplication? Divide. Now this when through by this x, this 2, then in this country what the reaction you can see? Divide. 2 divided by 2. This 2 it's coming here. Then it become your answer 1. This is the story, and think about and assume it कि this is a root king, and you can create the image also of this king. And why I am telling to you, only first time you are understand this story. Those who are new for me, they are understand first time, and those who are easily you can solve it. Use your method. No need to use this story, and don't be confused it. Why I am saying to you, if you are solving this kind of the questions, then easily you can solve. See, this 2. First, this is again same the story. If I am using this story, this is the root king through one by one to everyone who is in distance from this 2. This is the enter of their place. रूट ये किंग का प्लेस है. नाउ ये 2 इससे बाहर है, तो ये 2 को सबसे पहले बाहर निकालेगा, और 2 इसके साथ में कैसे है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. तो m+1 इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. m+1 इज इक्वल टू 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 मीन्स 6. m equal to, now this plus 1 throughout by m, so here become minus 1 because throughout it means opposite reaction, then answer will become m equal to 5. Now do these questions also in your copy. Easily you can solve because we have already done in class 6 also. And how to verify the result. Now second step, verify the result. How to verify? I already solved this x equal to 1. How to verify the result? See here. If x equal to 1, you have to put here in this one expression. If you are writing here x equal to 1 plus 3, what you will get? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. RHS 1 digit you will get. If you are solving LHS 1 part, putting the value of x and you will get the answer of your RHS. So what the answer? LHS equal to RHS. This is the verify. Putting the value of x in this expression. Putting the value of this x in this expression. Do exercise 4.2 completely in your copy. If any doubt, you can ask in WhatsApp. Now quiz time. Find the x value of 2 minus x is equal to 8. Find the value of x and give me the answer.